Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I have a special video planned today. I'm going to be doing my dog's makeup. Right, Maya? And look at your makeup. No, but I do have a very special guest planned for today. Just a little backstory. Last time I made a video, I was pregnant and now I have a 6-month-old beautiful little girl. Like I said, I have a very special video planned for today. I've been wanting to do this for a really long time and he's finally letting me do it. So let's welcome my special guest.
Oh, why?
This is my husband. He's gonna let me do his makeup today. I'm just as surprised as you. Are you excited?
Sure.
I'm super excited.
She's been talking about wanting to do this video for a long time. So if you don't know, we have been kind of making videos for a while now, and she's done this once before, or twice before. One time was for my channel like forever ago.
Oh my gosh, I have a lipstick on your cheek.
So what are we doing?
Well,
Why do we have 3 dogs?
okay, so first I normally start with my eyebrows. And so that's what we're going to start with. I'm going to be using the Benefit Precisely My Brow Pencil in the shade. It's the number 3, but I'm pretty sure it's like medium, light, warm, something like that. So excited. Your eyebrows are going to look so good.
What you mean so good? They already look so good.
They're going to look so much better.
Alright, whatever. Piss me off.
Oh shit. It's fine. I'll fix it with concealer. It's fine. This is really hard to do on somebody else. This is really hard. Your eyebrows are really bushy, do you know that?
Shut up.
Literally, doing your eyebrow is going to take the entire pencil. I'm gonna fix it.
That looks like a fucking caterpillar on my face.
I'm gonna fix it.
Let's just look at the difference. You're a normal person. Ow! Damn!
You're such a wimp.
You just poked me in the eye. You just trying to take my freaking sight away.
Oh, she's awake, guys. So tell me about dad life.
Well, you get really fat.
Okay. Where's your And this is concealer, by the way.
You've literally been on the same eye forever. What are you doing?
Making it look perfect.
I feel like I'm gonna have bat wings. I got 2 caterpillars on my face.
Okay. Eyebrows are done.
Well, that took forever.
Now, listen. My foundation is definitely not your shade. Because I'm a lot darker than you. Not a lot, but I'm darker than you.
Trying to say I'm pale?
Paler than me. We're just gonna work with it.
Looking pretty black, whatever. Why is that so cold? That is literally, did you put that in the fridge before we used it? Freaking ice cold.
And that is the Maybelline Fit Me foundation in the shade 220 Natural
Shade.
Beige.
220. Get a nap. I feel like you're punching me in the face right now. I feel like I'm kickboxing.
Kickboxing?
Yeah. Like, with like a kitty cat, you're like pawing me. Oh my god, I'm gonna beat the hell out of her.
Babe, you look freaking fantastic. Oh my goodness, why do you have a beard? Turning your beard orange. I would just like to let you know that. Sorry for my daughter's ridiculousness. She just likes making it.
We're on that low budget.
What?
We ain't got a nanny.
Okay, so now moving on to concealer.
Surprise! You get another friend.
Whoa!
Another guest, not friend. Huh?
I think I had your dad bags.
My what?
Your dad bags.
I think you just called me old.
You're old.
I'm not old.
You're like 37.
And a half, but that doesn't mean anything.
He's only 22.
You're just gonna tell him a secret identity?
Secret identity.
I look like an Indian.
Good. It's a goal. We're finished.
I thought you just put face paint on my face and we're just like all
New
day.
face paint. We're creating a new face. Better.
Guess I'm just that ugly. Yeah. Aria, help. Mom's trying to kill me.
This is soft and squishy. It doesn't hurt. Hush.
Soft and squishy. That's what she said.
That's not good. I don't think she should say that. Now we're going to put some powder on and set his face. All up in that beard.
This is bake.
Sure. It's just translucent powder.
So let's bake.
I don't know. I guess this is that. Next, we're moving on to bronzer. We're using the Hoola Benefit bronzer.
She's like, Mommy, yeah, do it now.
But to bronze you up, babe. Oh, God. Oh.
I'll be on fleek. Have you told your viewers the important news yet?
What's the important news?
Well, let me tell you on this halftime show. I'm starting a podcast. First link in the description.
First guest on his podcast.
Should get under my chin, and my other chin, and my other third chin down there.
Okay, I can do that.
Get down there, go!
Perfect.
So itchy.
Now we need some blush.
So itchy.
Are you done complaining? Arya's not complaining. Is she?
No, she's bouncing.
Bounce, bounce, bounce.
Look like a pretty woman.
No.
Jeez, Ari, your mom's mean to me. Mommy's mean.
Look at how gorgeous this is. I used this in my last video. Also in my description. This is just a base color.
Oh yeah?
Mm-hmm.
What does it look like?
Like that.
Wish I could see. You just said that like you're about to run a marathon. Okay. Oh my god. Well, that much to deal with.
Your eyebrow just takes so much room. Oh my god, I just hit her in the face. What? Oh. That was her. I thought you were grabbing my sleeve, but it was her.
Oh no.
Aria, what are you doing? You can't see this, but she's got that. Ooh, this looks so good.
Better. I make the makeup look good.
You make the makeup look good.
Yeah.
If you haven't noticed, I'm not a makeup artist, and I kind of suck at this.
Babe, don't put yourself down. You're perfect.
You're so sweet to me. Open your eye.
Are you sure?
Open your eye.
Are you sure?
Yes, open your eye. I'm getting underneath.
Ah! Ah!
Oh, leave it open.
Ah! Get to it!
You have to leave it open.
Ah! I can't do it. It
You
hurts.
have to let me finish.
Oh my god. Ah!
It doesn't even hurt.
It's like torture.
No, it does not. You're so dramatic.
Ah!
Stop. I'll say.
Okay. It literally feels like a dog smacking me in the face with their tail. What do you want me to
That
do?
doesn't even make sense.
Well, how does that not? Oh!
Stop. You're messing it up.
I've never been doing it. Oh!
Open your eye.
Ah!
Why was that one so much easier?
Because you're closer?
No, I meant you stood still.
Because I'm a man.
You're saying you weren't a man the first time.
Not at all.
Alright, now listen, I'm about to do eyeliner and you're just gonna
You're
have to
not.
let me do
No.
it. You have to let me do
No.
it.
No. I refuse.
Really, if you move and mess this up, then you're ruining the entire look.
Really? That's not that bad. Girl, your breath is hot. You're all.
What?
Why are you pulling on stuff? I thought that was the pin going in my nose. I was like, get off my nose.
Okay. Done with that. Ow!
What does she look like?
You. Mascara. It's the Maybelline Lash Sensation.
Oh, Jesus Christ. That's not that bad. It's like a sensation.
Ha! Babe, your lashes are so gorgeous.
Thanks, boo.
Okay. One last thing.
You better not. Absolutely not.
You have to let me. Have to let me.
Alright.
No. Okay, I'm gonna lighten it up with a little bit of concealer. Don't.
Oh my god. Oh my god.
Okay.
It looks good!
Alright, get a close up.
Stop it, I'm modeling. I'm trying to model over here, would you quit?
Okay.
Cut the tape. I'm gone.
Alright, so that is the finished look, everybody. I hope you all enjoyed this video. If you did, please leave a like and please subscribe to my channel. She would really appreciate it if you subscribe to my channel. With every like, this little girl gets a kiss.
With every like, we get to put food on the table for her. I think I'm joking.
Seriously. Please subscribe, leave a like if you enjoyed, comment down below. I would love to see your opinion on my husband's new face. I had a lot of fun making this video, did you?
Yeah. I'm just joking, yeah. It was actually a lot more fun than I thought. It was definitely more fun than the last 2 times. I'll be honest with you.
Well, thank you.
I definitely think you have gotten a lot better. So.
Thanks.
I do feel like I have honey all over my lips, and I feel like I just woke up and I have crusties in my eyes. But what? It's okay. It's okay. Other than that, I'm doing good.
Alright, well, we will see you next time. Bye!
Bye!
Say bye, Aria!
Say bye, Aria. Bye! Bye!
They're playing with my sock. That's my favorite one! Hey! Obviously, my eyebrows are a lot darker than his, but we're just gonna...
That's enough.
Babe!
Don't get embarrassed, that's what happens.
Shut up.
The dad bod is Who just shit?
I'm gonna put it in there.
Did you poop your pants? Maya. Was that you?